demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'm going to show you my alternates for the Beary Comforting Paper Pumpkin Kit. Look at this cute little bear and the cupcakes and the raccoon and the little koala bears. It's just the cutest kit. Hey there! Okay, so I'm going to show you that these are the cards for the Beary Comforting December 2020 kit. And I usually like to modify in my alternate videos, but I have to tell you, look at these card formats. They're just so quick and easy and adorable that I wound up making them exactly the way that they showed us, as well as, just some minor modifications. And I also liked this idea on the back with the two koala bears hugging, so I made one of those too. You could also put all the characters together on one card if you wanted to, but where my alternates are is I actually changed these sentiments. The hooray and the sentiments they used, they just didn't work for me. So I pulled out my gift wrap set, and look at Wrapped Especially for You, Tied with Love, and Celebrate in Style. I put these on the cards and I think that they just give a totally different personality. Wrapped Especially for You with the little gift. Wrapped Especially for You with the koala bear gift. And Celebrate in Style. Here's a cupcake from a raccoon. And okay, so then I pulled out the Today's Tile stamp set, and I love this stamp set. It has Namaste, it has I'm blessed to have you in my life, and it also has Just Wanted to Say Hello. And I thought this was also a great stamp set to use with these particular cards. So here we are. You have a little raccoon who just wanted to say hello with some flowers, and you can see that my stamp did go over the gold edge a little bit, but I still think it looks great. And this bear has flowers too and says, I'm blessed to have you in my life. Isn't that fitting? And these two koala bears with the heart also feel like they're blessed to have you in their life. I think it just really works well with these cards. Next, I pulled out the Beautiful Moment stamp set, and I just love this You're Somebody's Blessing and Thinking of You sentiments. They are a little bit thicker for the tabs, but the You're Somebody's Blessing just really seems to work out well. I used it with the two koala bears that I put together in a hug with a little heart just for a cute little variation. If you are a demonstrator, you can get this set, Stampin' Your Way to the Top, which is an amazing stamp set that includes this cute happy and What a Dazzling Demonstrator with really cool curly Q fonts. And I decided to use those two on this set as well. Now, the happy cards you could just use for anybody, right? I mean, it just makes it kind of like a easy, cheery card. And then here is how I use the Dazzling Demonstrator. I only inked up those two words on that stamp, and then here's another happy card. So I hope you enjoyed all of my variations that I did with this paper pumpkin kit. I really just wanted to make all these cards more cheery as opposed to the sentiments that came with the package. And I hope you enjoyed looking at all my different options, and I gave you some really good ideas of ways to vary your cards as well as people you could send them to. If you enjoy my paper pumpkin alternates, I hope that you'll choose to subscribe using the button below so you catch all my videos. And of course, if you don't have a demonstrator yet, I'd love to sign you up for some paper pumpkin packages in the future. The link to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin Kit is in the description below, and next month's kit is going to include a package that will be themed around Valentine's Day. Can you believe it? It's Valentine's Day already? I can't wait to create some new alternates with you using the package. I hope to see you soon. See you next month. Bye!